Hello everyone, myself Rohan Padle, student of SAS Institute of Management Studies, pursuing MBA in Operation Management. Today I am here to discuss a topic called Just in Time, which comes under the subject called Material Management and Resource Planning. Let's me introduce what is Just in Time. Just in Time is a highly coordinated process system in which goods move through a system and serve perform just they are needed. About history of JIT, it was evaluated in Japan after the World War II as a result of diminishing market shared in the auto industry. Toyota Motor Company's first to implement full functions and success JIT system in 1970. Japanese manufacturers look for a way to gain the most effective use of limited resources. They worked on optimal cost, also a quantity relationship. What are the objectives of just in time? Let's discuss one of them. Produce only the product that customer wants. Produce products only at the rate that customer wants them. Produce with effect quantity. Produce them with perfect quantity. Produce with minimum lead time. Produce product with only those features that customer wants. Produce with no waste of labor, material, equipments. Every movement must have a purpose so that there is a zero ideal inventory. Why just in time is necessary for organization? It's required to eliminate the waste, achieve seamless production, estimate disruption into production causing by the poor quality, schedule change, late delivery, make the manufacturing delivery system flexible by allowing it to handle a variety of products and changes in the level of output, reduce setups and deliver time. Sources of waste: overproduction, waiting time, unnecessary transportation, process waste, ineffectiveness work method, product defects. The 8 types of waste: overproduction, manufacturing is an item before it's needed. Second waste is inappropriate processing, using expensive high presence equipments when simple machine would sufficient. Third waste, waiting. Wasteful time includes when the product is not to be being moved or processed. Fourth waste, transportation. Excessive, excessive movement and material handling of product between two processes. Fifth waste, motion. Unnecessary efforts leads to the agonic ignoring of being stretching, reaching, lifting and walking. Sixth waste, inventory. Excess inventory hides problem on the shop floor, consumes space, increase lead time and inhibits communications. Defects. Quality defects result in the reworking and scrap and add waste cost to the system in the form of lost capacity, rescheduling efforts and increase the inspections and loss of customer goodwill. Eighth waste, unreception of employee. Failures of the firms to learn from capitalizations on its employees' knowledge and creative implements long-term efforts to eliminate waste. Just-in-time content, just-in-time manufacturing, just-in-time purchasing and just-in-time distribution. Under the just-in-time purchasing, just-in-time purchasing is directed towards the reduction of waste, delay, reduce all non-value added activities, eliminates all of the in-plant inventory, eliminates all in-transit inventory, quality and reliable improvements. Just-in-time manufacturing. Under this, total quality management, production management, supply management, inventory management and human resource management comes. Production management. The principle of production management is important to the sustained quality in the process. Pull system versus push system. Pull made to order and push made for inventory. Just system used pull system instead of push system. This allows for demand to set the tone for production. Flexible of the system. It is also important for the system to be flexible. This means it is also important for the system to be flexible. This means that production level must have an ability to change from day to day. Working with the expert of made to order. Design for testability. In this process, mistakes-proof devices used through the entire process. These devices will prevent mistake from happening. It is also important to test throughout the entire process to ensure zero defects. Reduce lot size. This will shorten the cycle time, and as a result, this reduction will free up capital that was otherwise tied up to inventory. Eliminate disruption in the process. Just in time should eliminate any disruption in the process to maximize productivity while eliminating any bottleneck. Stopping the process of something goes wrong. Prevention maintenance. Prevention maintenance is necessary to eliminate and downtime for machine failure in process. Toyota use Kanban pull system throughout the production process. Just-in-time inventory system. An inventory system designed to produce effective output with minimum lead time at the lowest possible cost, minimizing the waste with great consistency. Objective: creating only once the consumer wants to at the rate consumer needs to be them. Produce at production point consists high quality with minimum waste of labor, material and equipments. This is the process overview of just-in-time inventory. Inventory management system eliminates safety stock, zero inventory, reduce work in progress, just-in-time, not an inventory control system. Reduction in inventory open up space. Inventory hides a problem in major problem. Water level is equal to inventory, rock is equal to problems in the system, and board company operations. This defines the diagrams above. Characteristics of just-in-time. Pull method of material flow, consistency, high quality, small lot size, uniform workstations loads, standardization components and work method, close supplier ties, flexible workforce, line follow, automation production, prevention maintenance. Benefit of JIT: reduction in inventories, improved quality, reduced space requirement, shorten lead time, lower production cost, increased increased machine utilization, great flexibility. Implementation of just-in-time concept. The just-in-time concept is a wheel. As you can see that in the image, there are various factors to be implemented with the help of JIT. The very real life example of success of JIT is Harley Davidson, Dell and Toyota. Conclusion. After all, I think that if the company wants to have a JIT concept, it does not mean that everything must be done very fast. The most important thing for the company is to have good organized resources allocation. Also, the management and employee must have on their mind that this concern can help the organization to solve many problems in logistics. It is true that implementations and development of JIT is a long-lasting and expensive process, but if the company can manage with their difficulties, it is a possibility to achieve high level of workforce. That's from my side. Thank you very much.